I got my t-shirts, I got my heat press machine, and I got my vinyl cutter.
We are going to be making t-shirts today. If you want more content like this, please subscribe and leave a like.
Okay, so first things first is creating a design to put on the t-shirt. I brainstormed a little bit and then I went on Pixar to make the design come to life. Then I transfer over the design onto my Cricut design space on my computer. And please make sure you mirror the design, because if you don't, it'll come out backwards once you heat press it. So make sure you mirror it. We have the design on the laptop now. Now all we have to do is section out this heat transfer vinyl, put it onto this, and watch the magic happen. This process is pretty simple. All you have to use is a pair of scissors, cut it out, and make sure it fits on the green board. And now is the time to sit back, relax, and wait until your circuit cutter cuts your design out. Hold up. Do you like watching podcasts? I know you like watching podcasts. Well, I started my own called the Raine Cast, where every week I sit down with a new special guest and talk about intriguing topics every single week.
Pop Smoke death is so crazy, son. New York momentum was so crazy.
I tell people this all the time that make music, like, being your authentic self will get you so much farther than being, like, aspiring to be somebody else.
You can watch it on YouTube, listen to it on Spotify and Apple Podcasts. The link to it will be linked below in the description. This right here is hands down the most tedious task of this process, but to me, it's kind of peaceful, just sitting there and trying to focus. What you're going to be doing is basically weeding out all of the excess stuff from your design to make sure it's completely crisp and, you know, making your job 10 times easier. Trust me. Oh snap, y'all, it's almost time, almost time. Right now I'm putting my design on the t-shirt, and we're gonna be finally heat pressing the design onto the t-shirt. I will hold it down for approximately 10 to 15 seconds on 350 degrees. That's the heat that the heat press is at right now. And yo, the outcome of this shirt, oh my God, I can't wait for y'all to see this. Woo! Let's go. Y'all see that? Oh my God. Time to try this on. The outcome of this project came out so fire. I'm so happy and proud of myself for actually taking the initiative and making a shirt with my heat press machine. If you want more complex designs on jackets, t-shirts, sweaters, pants, just let me know in the comments below. Leave a like, share with your friends, subscribe, and it's been your boy Raine. Until next time, y'all, peace the F out.